Imagine yourself in this Dodge 2019 Challenger RT. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Enjoy these notable features: power sunroof, tires, 245/45 ZR20 AS performance, STD, quick order package 28 HRT included, engine 5.7 L V8 Hemi MDS VVT transmission, 8-speed automatic, 8 horsepower 70, wheels, 20-inch x 8.0 inches satin carbon painted, black Napa Alcantara performance seats included, all seats with leather trim, ventilated front seats, Sirius XM satellite radio included, 1-year Sirius XM radio service. For more info call 800-643-2112, Uconnect 4C nav with 8.4 display included, Sirius XM Traffic Plus integrated center stack radio, 5-year Sirius XM Travel Link service, GPS navigation.